Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Saturday and I'm about to do a weekend vlog as usual. This is something I've been doing for 2 weeks now. This is the third week and I am loving every bit of it. I love sharing my experience. I love capturing the moments and every day of my life so that when I'm old, I can look back and say, oh girl, you did so well with your life, and try to look at my growths and everything. So, without talking so much, let's go out. I'm going out to support my friend at Daisy. She has this project that she's doing. Des and Friends, that's the name of the project. She's trying to refurbish this correctional facility for ladies. So, for young girls, actually. So, I'm going out now. I'm actually quite early. It's for 10 a.m. and this is 9:11. I think I'm going to meet up. No, I know I'm going to meet up. I just hope the traffic is bearable because it's still within Surulere and I'm in Surulere. So, but I'll first of all go stop somewhere. I'll stop so I need to get like snacks because I think we're going to be having games. She told me we'll be having games. Some games. Yes, I can't remember the names of the games right now, but we'll be having some games. So, so she suggested we get snacks, drinks, glucose, and anything you can get for the young girls. So I'll stop somewhere. I don't know what I'll get yet. Probably small chops. Probably some donuts or sausage or something. I don't know. I'm going to get that on my way to the location. So, without talking so much, let's just go right into the vlog.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, you know, you know. You know, you know. You are not the one, you're not even my crush. You think you must stop, but you barely made the cut. You say
Yeah.
you don't need me, but I'm calling.
It's actually the first time I'll be like a part of a project like this.
Serious?
Yeah.
I don't think they really accept videos.
Are you serious? So I just go to the correctional facility and I met this very fine man. He's the one heading the project here. One will say hi now.
Hello. Hi.
So I'm waiting for Daisy. She told us 10 o'clock. Guys, this is like 10:25. She's not here. I was even like, probably they've started already. That Daisy is going to like say, you, let's come. But she's not here yet. I called her already and she said she's 2 minutes away. And this is like 5 minutes since the time I called her. So I'm waiting for her. And while I'm here waiting, probably I'll just eat. Okay? So, see you guys later. And yes, ignore this my nails. The thing just fell off this morning. Okay? Ada, say hi. Welcome to Days and Friends.
Training now that they will put different things. They now ask you to get.
Look at that.
Ready, go! Remember, your spoon. Use your spoon. Oshe, Oye, you cannot even do big auntie and wait for them. Oye, Agbaya, you cannot do big auntie. Oye, you cannot do big auntie.
Play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. Baby, I just had to let you know. 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 Hey, you know, yeah, you know.
You are Okay, so I just got this chocolate pancake. Nika made it. Nika, she doesn't want to show her face. She said she's shy. So I'm trying to piece this. It's nice, it's fluffy, it's not dry. It's like cake. Like chocolate cake. Like cake. Like chocolate cake. Hi guys, so I followed Becky to her bakery to have a taste of her food. She said she actually made something very nice for us to eat, so I'm here to have some bite of the food that I am.
Only every other medium. Sometimes if you check your phone, you see Tinubu on your weather channel. Like you see his name. That's power.
Daddy won't choking us. Blogger at that one of Lagos. I don't even know how they call it. Why are you running away? Bring it, Joe. It does not mean. One day. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. Imagine. Pastor what?
This guy,
Pastor Tokpe. Oh, Minister Tokpe. Is he Apostle Tokpe?
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time. I'm just thinking about what I should be thinking of, and it's about time that I get it. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop going, stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it, 'cause it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best, I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Oh, it's daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time. Just thinking about what I should be thinking of, and it's about time that I get up. exist, and then it's not so bad.